Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, let me introduce myself. My name is Omaira, travel agent and founder of Acceso Mágico Travel Agency. I am a big fan of traveling light, and this is why today we'll bring you 15 packing tips. Make sure you watch until the end, where I'll give you a bonus and I'll tell you, in my opinion, the most important packing tip. Let's get started. Number one, lay everything down in a flat surface. It could be your bed or just a plain surface where you can see everything that you're packing and you won't forget anything. Number two, start packing by packing your shoes on the bottom. Let's say this is your suitcase and you're gonna put your shoes on the bottom and then put everything else on top. Number three, packing cubes. These are packing cubes and they hold so much stuff you won't believe it. This is one of the, I wanna say this is like a large one, and then I have a medium one, and then I have a small one where I have my blower and my flat iron. Number four, this I go by every time, whether I'm flying locally or internationally. If I can find it where I'm going, I'm not taking it with me. This is mostly with the liquids. As you know, we have to follow a liquid rule. So if I can find it anywhere where I'm going, then I'm not taking it with me. I'm buying it over there. Now, especially with the shampoo and conditioners, you know, we women, we need lots of shampoo and conditioner, and that traveling size is not gonna do it. I have a solution for that. Get bars. They have shampoo and conditioner in bars. They're about this size and about this thick, so they're not gonna take any space on your suitcase. Number five, pack a poncho. Maybe you're traveling and it is the summer, it doesn't matter. It can rain anytime. This is not gonna take any space in your luggage, on your purse. This can even fit in your pocket. This can even fit in your pocket. So believe me, trust me, pack a poncho. Number six, if you need soap, liquid soap, dish soap, instead of taking your dish soap with you, because you need to, maybe you're traveling with kids and you need to watch their bottles, easy. Just take a regular sponge, regular from the dollar store sponge, and what you're gonna do is you are going to cut a little bit. You can make it this big, you can have a small size, and then you're gonna pour that dish soap on your sponge. It's gonna look something like this, and you let it dry. I'm gonna put it in here. You let it dry, and then when it's dry, you toss it on a Ziploc, and then it's gonna save you lots of space. Now what you're gonna do when you need it, put water in it. It's gonna lather up, and then you can use it to, I don't know, wash your hands or wash your bottles like I mentioned before, but it's a very useful tip. Number seven, pack a foldable backpack or duffel bag. This is a duffel bag. I have both. This is a duffel bag and it is so good. This is so big. I'm not gonna open it now, but this is so big. But actually this counts as a personal item. So if you don't travel with a personal item, you can put this in your suitcase and then come back with a personal item. I travel with my purse as a personal item, so I put this inside my purse. And when we are like walking around the town, the city that we went to visit, we can use our backpack. You can use it, you know, this is a backpack. So you can use your backpack with you. This is what I carry. And then when the trip is over, whatever souvenirs we got, we put them in the foldable backpack, and it becomes our personal item coming back. Number 8, pack dryer sheets. Going is gonna keep everything fresh, and coming back is gonna keep everything fresh too. As we get our dirty clothes, instead of just tossing the dirty clothes into the laundry bag, we toss it and we put a dryer sheet and anything stays fresh. Number 9, we're up to 9. Pack a safety kit. This is my safety kit. We have Band-Aids, and we have Kleenex, and we have alcohol swabs. We have gloves and steri strips, mostly anything that can help if we have a little mishap during our trip. Number 10, digitalize all of your documents, all of your paper documents. What I mean by this is nowadays we travel with our cell phones, laptop, tablets, and what you want to do is take your passport, take all of your plane tickets, take all your reservation confirmations, all of that, and keep it digital. Take pictures, scan them, keep them in your phone. Email a copy to, or if you book your vacations with a travel agent, send one copy to your travel agent. If you didn't, send a copy to a family member, and that way if your phone breaks and you lose any document, you can always get them back easily. Number 11, bring snacks with you. You never know if a plane is going to be delayed, if you're going to like the food on the plane. You might be walking a long distance and you get hungry, so you pack little snacks with you. Now this, I have to talk about this. This has peanuts in it, and in some flights you are not able to open anything with peanuts in it because there's an allergic person traveling with you. It's happened to me before, it's just a heads up. Also, this is all junk food, but you can take protein bars, you can take fruit, but nonetheless, it's still a tip, and pack snacks with you. Number 12. So remember, number 12, at the beginning of my tip list, I told you about packing your shoes on the bottom of your suitcase. Now, liquids, you want to have them on top. So when you are about to go through TSA, they are within easy reach and you take them out fast. Number 13, pack a reusable water bottle. Why? Nowadays, it is very common that in mostly every airport, we have water fountains with distilled water in them. So instead of buying bottled water everywhere and wasting your money, just fill out the one that you have with you. Number 14, bring a scarf. It gets cold in the airplane, it gets cold in the airport, and you never know if you're gonna get stuck in the airport waiting long hours, and you don't want to get sick before your trip starts. So cover your neck. It doesn't necessarily has to go in your neck. You can fold it and actually make a neck pillow with it. Just fall asleep on top of it. And number 15 is bring a multi-plug. I don't know if this is a hotel conspiracy or what it is, but usually when you go in a hotel, only one plug works. And then we have I have that cell phone, I have my tablet, I have my watch, I have my camera, and I need like multiple plugs. So I learned, and I'll just take my multiple plug with me. Those were my 15 packing tips. And for the bonus, and in my opinion, the most important packing tip is before you set out what you are going to take with you. And this has to do with your clothes, pick a color scheme. That way, everything goes with everything. You're gonna pack less. You're not gonna have any trouble trying to match the shirt with the pants or the skirt or whatever, because everything is gonna go with everything. And to me, that is the most important packing tip. With that being said, I just have to thank you for spending time here with me. If you have any other tip that I forgot to mention here and you think is important, please comment it below. I hope you have learned anything from the video today. If you have, please, please, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, with your family, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you and your feedback. We'll see you in the next video. Toodles!